THIRIKARI no ithiete na mbere kwarira mibango itiganite ya gukiria kambuni itiganite ciegemaine na urimi kuria riu Minista wa URIMI na MAHIU MUTAHI Kagwe aruguritie bodi njeru ya kambuni ya urimi wa Pyrethrum. Akiruguria bodi ino kaunti-ini ya NIIRUGURITIE, Kagwe augite thirikari ni yarire mubango mweru wa gukiria urimi wa Pyrethrum na gutigirira Kenya ni yacokia wendia wayo mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja.
Our goal is to revive this sector by concurrently addressing both the supply and demand side factors to not only regain our position in this value chain globally, but innovate to meet the demands of an ever more aspirational, environmentally and health conscious consumer. We are investing in research and production, providing market linkages for our world-renowned organic pyrethrum, and we are reclaiming our intellectual property rights and other assets.
Kagwe augite MWOROTO MUNENE ni gutigirira arimi a Pyrethrum ni magunika na mbeca ciao ikorwo itirorira, akigweta mukana wa kweherio kwa makiria ma dawa 77 cia urimi ni undu guteithia arimi kugacirithia urimi wao na kurumia thoko mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja.
We have already banned over 77 harmful pesticides and partially restricted or contained over 100 others. This is an ongoing process. It is a business opportunity for you. The rising supply gap from these banned molecules will be filled by encouraging both local and foreign investors to buy from you. We are in the advanced discussions to gazette a duty waiver on imported yellow maize and soya for the manufacture of livestock feeds. The high cost of livestock feeds, accounting for up to 70% of the production in some livestock value chains, has been a big hindrance.
Niongereire kuga hari ciumia inya ciukite thirikari ni gukorwo ikiruguria njira njeru ya guturanira tabarira ya fataraitha ya raithi, njanjo cia mahiu gatagati ka mangi niguo kurehe wuigiririki na kunyihia garama.
By streamlining the Kenya Integrated Agricultural Management Information System, KAMIS, with the other government-run e-voucher system, we shall seamlessly reduce the distribution cost of our farmers' input subsidies from fertilizer to livestock vaccination, artificial insemination, feedlots, restocking management, and therefore assure traceability of our animal and crop produce, and crucially, accountability of scarce resources.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.